morning, class. Our lesson for today is reading comprehension. So, first, our learning objectives. Define reading comprehension and explain its importance in understanding texts. Identify the three levels of reading comprehension: literal, interpretive, and critical. Then, answer questions based on the text using different levels of comprehension. And last is appreciate the value of reading as a tool for learning, understanding, and critical thinking. Next is our subject matter. So materials: PowerPoint presentation, reading texts, pictures, marker, chalk, and board. So value focus, integration, love for learning, truthfulness, and critical thinking. Before we proceed to our proper discussion, let me ask you something. When you read a story or a text, do you finish reading it but realize you did not understand what you just read? Why do you think that happens? What do you think is missing? That's exactly right. Let me share a quote with you. Reading without comprehension is like eating without digestion. What, what do you think this means? Very good. Today, we will learn about reading comprehension, which is the heart and soul of reading. This is where you turn words into knowledge. Now, we can proceed to our proper discussion. So class, before we start, we have an activity first, titled Read and Discover. So directions. Number 1. I will give you a short paragraph to read silently. Number 2. Answer these questions based on what you read. A. What did Maria do? B. Why did she close the windows and doors? C. Do you think she made the right decision? Why? So, but before we check, let's think aloud. What comes to your mind when you hear the word reading comprehension? Good job! Okay, let's move on to analysis. Thank you for your ideas, class. Let's analyze your answers in the activity we just did. So, look at the questions I gave you. Question A. What did Maria do? The question was written clearly. You just found it. Question B. Why did she do it? The answer was hidden. You had to guess or infer using clues. Question C. Do you think it was right? The answer came from you, your own judgment and experience. So, which questions was the easiest to answer? Why? And which one required you to think harder? So let's move on to our discussion. So class, this shows us that understanding a text happens on different levels. Sometimes we understand what is said, sometimes what is meant, and sometimes we judge if it is right or wrong. This is what comprehension is all about, moving from simple facts to deep understanding. So let's move on to abstraction. The three levels of reading comprehension. First is literal comprehension, or reading the lines. Understanding what is explicitly stated. Answers who, what, where, when, how. For example, what did Maria close? So answer windows and doors. Then second is interpretive or inferential comprehension, so or reading between the lines. Understanding what is implied or suggested but not written directly. You use clues and your own knowledge. So answers. Why? How do you know what is meant? Example. Why did you close them? So answer. Because of a storm or raining is coming. So lastly is critical or evaluative comprehension or reading beyond the lines. Analyzing, judging, or evaluating the text. You form opinions, decide if it is true, good, or logical. Then, we have the importance. Reading comprehension is important because it allows us to learn new things, gain knowledge, follow instructions, and think critically. Without it, reading is just looking at words without meaning. So last is the application. Since we are done discussing about reading comprehension, let us test your skills. So individual task directions. Read the short story below carefully. So if you are done reading, I have here three questions for you to answer. Number 1, literal. What did Leia do every afternoon? Number 2, interpretive. Why didn't Leo spend his money on toys? Number 3, critical. What can you say about Leo's character? Do you want to be like him? Why? So let's go to the evaluation. Instruction. Read the passage and answer the questions that follow. Identify the level of comprehension used for each answer. So I will read the passage. Anna held her heavy basket lightly. It was full of fresh vegetables and fruits from the farm. She walked slowly under the hot sun. Her clothes were wet with sweat, but she did not stop. She knew her family was waiting for the food she would sell at the market. So questions. Number 1. What was inside Anna's basket? Number 2. Why did she keep walking even if it was hard and hot? Number 3. If you were Anna, would you work hard like that for your family? Why? For your assignment, find a short story or article from a newspaper, magazine, or book. Read it into the following. First is write the title and source of the article or story. Write one question and answer for each level of comprehension. Literal question and answer. Interpretive question and answer. Critical question and answer. So that's all for today. Goodbye.